Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Keychron linear versus tactile switches. Linear switches offer a smooth, consistent press from top to bottom without any bump. Tactile switches, on the other hand, provide a distinct, noticeable bump partway through the key travel, giving you feedback that the key has actuated. This fundamental difference impacts typing feel and sound significantly, guiding your choice for optimal performance. Linear switches are known for their incredibly smooth and consistent keystroke, with no tactile bump or audible click. They typically actuate with a force of around 45 to 60 grams, offering a fluid typing experience. This makes them excellent for fast-paced gaming, where rapid, repeated presses are crucial, or for users who prefer an uninterrupted, quiet key press for extended typing sessions. They are designed for speed and minimal resistance. Tactile switches provide a satisfying bump that you can feel as the key actuates, offering clear feedback without an audible click. These switches often require an actuation force between 50 and 75 grams, giving a more deliberate feel. This tactile feedback can significantly improve typing accuracy and reduce errors, making them a favorite among programmers, writers, and anyone who values confirmation with each key press. They balance feedback with a relatively quiet operation. Ultimately, the choice between Keychron linear and tactile switches comes down to personal preference and your primary use case. If you prioritize speed, smooth presses, and a quieter experience, linear switches are likely your best bet. However, if you value typing accuracy, clear feedback, and a more deliberate feel, tactile switches will serve you well. Consider trying both types to truly discover which sensation enhances your productivity and enjoyment the most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.